Students, welcome to the English class. Today's class, let us learn the poem The Way to Succeed, written by the poet Norman MacLeod. Let us know about the poet Norman MacLeod. Reverend Norman MacLeod was a Scottish clergyman and author. A clergyman is a priest or father in the church. He was a religious man and was largely instrumental in the work of strengthening the Scottish church. Let us see in this poem, The Way to Succeed, what the poet says. Now, before we move on to the poem, there are certain situations we come across in life where we fail many times with certain things. What do we do exactly? Do we stop at that point? No, not necessarily. We just try to do it much better the next time, and that is what which leads to the path of success. Now, before we read the poem, let us learn the glossary or the new words that you come across in this poem. Now, strike means hit, might is strength, gaze is look, stumble, trip and lose one's balance, oft the short form often, downcast is disgrace, and succeed is win. Students, you will refer to page number 110 in your textbook for the poem reading. The Way to Succeed, written by Norman MacLeod. Drive the nail right, boys. Hit it on the head. Strike with all your might, boys, while the iron's red. So the poet says in the first stanza, what you need to do, drive the nail right, boys. You should have an aim in life. Hit it on the head means do the work at the right time. Strike with all your might, boys. Use your opportunity at the right time while the iron is red. When you have the age, when you need to do something, you need to do at that right time itself. When you have work to do, boys, do it with a will. They who reach the top, boys, first must climb the hill. So, the poet says when you have work to do it with a will, do it with a mind, do it with your knowledge. They who reach the top, boys, the one who reaches the top first must climb the hill. It's not easy climbing the hill. Do you think is it easy to climb the hill? No. You may stumble down, again you need to climb up. So the one who reaches will have faced all these things. Standing at the foot, boys, gazing at the sky, how can you get a boys if you never try? So, what does the poet say here? You stand at the foot of the hill and keep watching at the top of the sky how to climb this tallest hill. How do you climb this biggest one? If you keep thinking, how can you get a boys if you can never try? If you feel that hill is too big and you can't climb, that means you will never try. So you should never do that. Standing at the foot, gazing at the sky, how can you get up, boys, if you never try? So if you don't try anything in life, you will not be able to achieve any success. So what is important? You need to achieve success with all falls, ups and downs. Though you stumble often, boys, never be downcast. Try and try again, boys. You will succeed at last. So finally, the poet gives a message through this saying that though you stumble off, every now and then you may fall when you climb the hill. That means the climbing the hill is just a literal way of saying that in the path of your aim, when you want to reach your goal, there may be many ups and downs. You may fall sometimes. You may even lose. But you should never be downcast, never be disgraced, never feel downhearted. You should try and try again, boys. Once again, you should try, and you will succeed at last. Sometimes you may find some subject difficult. What if you give up? If you feel that you can't study that subject at all and you give up, you will never succeed. You will never be able to score marks in that. But finally, if you go behind the subject, put your efforts and read it again and again, learn. So what? That will help you to achieve your good marks. So that is what the poet says through this poem, The Way to Succeed. You need to make your efforts even if you fall down, up and down, once and again, one and more times. Still you need to climb the hill, and that is what leads to the path of success. So finally, with all the ups and downs, you will reach your goal of success. You will be able to reach your aim in life. These are the rhyming words which you come across in the poem, that is head, red, will, hill, sky, try, downcast, last. The words that ends at the end of the sentence, you call that as, which rhymes with the same sound, is called as rhyming words.